Hey everyone, and welcome to this unboxing video for the Sony, well, it's an alpha camera, right? I'll just tell you right now, it's the Sony A7IV. In this pouch, probably too small to have the actual camera, we have a cable, USB-A to USB-C, probably for charging and transferring files. This pouch is also too small for the camera. I'm going to guess it's the charging brick, and it is in fact the charging brick. Another pouch too small for the camera. This is probably the battery. It is in fact the battery. This one's probably the camera. And so it is the Sony A7IV right there on top, you can see. So this is a camera that I've wanted for quite some time. Very excited to have it. Flip out screen, can rotate and protect the screen that way. No battery, so not going to turn it on. Oh, the shutter wasn't closed. Anyway, to clean this, you want to turn it on, put it in cleaning mode, and then clean off the sensor before you use it, because things get dusty and dirty in warehouses, so it's always a good idea to clean a sensor with a brush or a bulb blaster when you get a camera for the first time. And other than that, here is the full layout of the camera.